Good morning, dear student. I am your Rahul sir and I am your math teacher. Dear student, I hope you are well and safe. Let's begin the today class 2 math. Now I am going to continue the chapter number 1 and before, after and between. Okay? Before solve this question, I want to ask something. Has everyone completed their homework? Yes or no? The student who has completed his or her homework, then you can send me on WhatsApp. Still you have any doubt, then you can ask in our doubt class. Our doubt class time is 6 to 7 o'clock in the evening. Okay? Now this is the time to solve this question. 46. Look at the board. Dear student, 64 is just before. Just means instant. यानी तुरंत. Before. Class 2 math before, after, between. If you have this book, then please open your book at page number 9, before, after, between. Fill in the placeholders. Okay? 46 is just before. 46 किसके just यानी तुरंत पहले आता है. 46 किसके तुरंत पहले आता है, then तो 47 के just पहले आता है. Are you ready? Any doubt? Next, 69 is just before. Is just before. 69 किसके just पहले आता है, then 70 के just पहले आता है. ठीक है? Are you getting dear student? "46 is just before 47 and 69 is just before 70. 69 जो है वो 70 के जस्ट पहले आता है. Any doubt? No. Write it in your copy. Can I erase the board? Okay. And now this is the time to now this is the time to solve another type of question. Just another side, all are similar, and another type is different one, different from this. Okay, dash is just after. Just after 30. Dash is just dash is, this is placeholders. Is just after 30. Just means instant and after means के बाद. Okay, 30 30 के बाद में क्या आता है? 30 के जस्ट बाद में क्या आता है? तो 30 के जस्ट बाद 31. Now we can say 31 is just after 30. 30 के जस्ट बाद 31 आता है. Any doubt? Are you getting this, my dear student? Next, placeholder is just after 93. Placeholder is just after 93. It means है, just means तुरंत, after means बाद में, के बाद में, and 93 के बाद में क्या आता है? What comes after 93? 93 के जस्ट बाद 94 आता है. Write it in your copy. Can I erase the board? Okay. Homework. Home work. Homework. You being given today. होमवर्क में लिखिएगा टुडे this and this one as homework. At page number 9. Today you have at page number 9 as homework. जो भी रेस्ट बच गया है इसमें, ठीक है, आपको होमवर्क बना के लेके आना। And then you can send me on WhatsApp. Okay? Any doubt? You got it? Dear students, you should wearing a mask, maintain 1 hand distance, sanitize your hand properly, be careful, be safe. Jai Hind.